In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a template from an existing page in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user looking for ways to optimize your workflow, creating a template from an existing page can be an invaluable tool. It allows you to streamline repetitive tasks and keep your pages consistent and organized, saving you both time and effort. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open Notion. When you log in, you'll see your Notion workspace, which likely contains several pages and projects you've been working on. Navigate to the page you want to use as the foundation for your template. It's important to ensure that this page contains all the elements and formatting you want to replicate in future projects. Maybe it's a comprehensive meeting notes layout or a project management board. Whatever it is, make sure it's exactly how you want your template to look. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your workspace, where you usually create new pages. You'll notice there's a little arrow located right next to the New button. Clicking on this arrow will reveal a drop-down menu. Understanding this step is crucial because this is where you'll find the New Template option, a hidden gem that Notion offers to expedite your workflow. Once you click on the arrow,